Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's or company's products or services and earn a commission for each sale you generate. Here are the steps to start an affiliate marketing business. Choose a niche. You need to decide on a niche or industry that you are interested in and knowledgeable about. This will help you to create content and promote products more effectively. Choose affiliate programs. Research and choose affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ShareASale. Build a platform. You need to have a platform to promote the products or services, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. It's important to have a strong online presence and engage with your audience. Create valuable content. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This can include product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the content. Promote products. Promote the products or services on your platform using your affiliate links. You can also use email marketing, paid advertising, and social media marketing to reach a wider audience. Monitor performance. Keep track of your affiliate performance using analytics and adjust your strategy as necessary. This can include changing the products you promote, improving your content, or targeting a different audience. How to become an affiliate marketer. Choose a niche, find the best affiliate programs, choose a publishing platform, produce traffic-generating content, promote your affiliate links. Step-by-step guide to becoming an affiliate marketer. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic or area that you are passionate and knowledgeable about. This will help you create content and promote products more effectively. The most popular affiliate niches include health and fitness, technology, personal finance, blogging, and making money online, fashion. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer products or services that fit your niche. You can find affiliate programs on popular networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and ShareASale. Step 3. Choose a platform. Decide on a platform to promote products, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. You can choose one or more platforms depending on your target audience and the type of content you want to create. Step 4. Create valuable content. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This can include product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the content. Step 5. Promote products. Promote the products or services on your platform using your affiliate links. You can also use email marketing, paid advertising, and social media marketing to reach a wider audience. Step 6. Track and optimize performance. Keep track of your affiliate performance using analytics and adjust your strategy as necessary. This can include changing the products you promote, improving your content, or targeting a different audience. Here are some of the best companies to start affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program offers a wide range of products, making it easy to find products that fit your niche. ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace with products in various niches, including health, fitness, and digital products. CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is a popular affiliate network with a wide range of products and services in various niches. ShareASale. ShareASale is another popular affiliate network with products in various niches, including fashion, home, and garden. eBay Partner Network. eBay's affiliate program allows you to promote products from one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires time, effort, and patience. Choose products that fit your niche, create high-quality content, and focus on building a strong relationship with your audience. In summary, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative business if done correctly. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. To succeed, you need to choose a niche, join affiliate programs, build a platform, create valuable content, promote products, and monitor your performance. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a help to earn money from social media platforms like YouTube, blog, Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, WeChat, Reddit, Quora, and other social networking sites. Just remember to choose a niche you are passionate about, promote products that align with your values, and provide value to your audience.